Once again, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to our channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. Sa ating mga estudyante, have a nice day to all of you. Welcome to our subject, personal identification. Pasensya na kayo sa spelling ng personal identification dito sa ating slide. Okay, medyo typographical error. Quiz tayo on the topic friction radius. 10 katanungan upang alamin kung gaano katibay ang ginawa ninyong pag-aaral dito sa topic na ito. Okay? So, mga kasagutan, as usual, later on ipopost natin dito sa ating description box. Alright. Once again, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to our channel, Sir Lopez Vlog, and to all of our students, welcome to our quiz on the topic friction radius under the subject personal identification. Okay, pagpasensyahan nyo na itong slide natin, spelling ng personal identification, typographical error only. Okay, so 10 katanungan ang inihanda natin upang sukatin kung gaano kalalim ang pagkakaintindi nyo dito sa topic natin na ito. Okay, let us start. Question number 1. Tiny elevation or hill-like structures found on the epidermis layer of the skin containing sweat pores. It appears as black lines with tiny white dots called pores in ink impression. Is it letter A, sweat duct, letter B, radius, letter C, furrows, or letter D, sweat pores? Question number 2. A long host-like structure that serves as the passageway for the sweat that exists at its mouth, D4. We call it D4. Okay. Letter A, sweat duct. Letter B, radius. Letter C, furrows. Or letter D, sweat pores. Next, number 3. This is referring to a system of identification done through measuring various bony structure of the human body. Letter A, tattooing. Letter B, scarification. Letter C, anthropometry. Or letter D, anthropology. Question number 4. He developed his own system of classification while working in Scotland Yard. His system of classification was established with the help of 2 Hindu police officers, namely Khan Bahadur Asisol Hagi and Rahim Chandra Bose. And it was widely accepted by almost all English-speaking country, making him known as the father of fingerprint. Letter A, G.C. Meyer. Letter B, Professor Johannes E. Porkenny. Letter C, Herman Wilker. Or letter D, Sir Edward Richard Henry. Next, number 5 refers to the scientific study of fingerprints as a means of identification. Letter A, fingerprints. Letter B, pores. Letter C, dactylomancy. Or letter D, dactylography. Okay, dactylography. Next, number 6. Radius begins to form on the human fetus during its blank. Letter A, 3 to 4 months of the fetus life. Letter B, 5 to 6 months before birth. Letter C, both answers are correct. Letter D, none of them is the correct answer. Question number 7. The sense of touch is also aided by the blank. Letter A, friction skin. Letter B, papillary radius. Letter C, epidermal radius. Or letter D, all of the above are correct. Number 8. He took the prints of his own palms and after 41 years, he printed the same palms to prove that prints do not change except for some scratches due to old age. Letter A, G.C. Meyer. Letter B, Professor Johannes A. Porkenny. Letter C, Herman Wilker. Or letter D, Sir William J. Herschel. Question number 9. The inner layer of the skin containing blood vessels, various glands, and nerves. It is where the dermal papillae are found. Letter A, papillary. Letter B, epidermal. Letter C, epidermis. Or letter D, dermis. Inner layer of the skin. Number 10. What is the outer covering of the skin? Letter A, papillary. Letter B, epidermal. Letter C, epidermis. Or letter D, dermis. Okay, so tapos na ang ating quiz sa topic na ito. Submit your answer using the link na nandito sa ating description box. Hanggang sa muli, see you again next meeting.